Important! Before installation, be sure that your fence energizer or charger is not turned on. Use caution and adhere to all safety guidelines as stated in your fence energizer or charger instruction manual. Before you begin your Snake Eyes electrical connector installation, be sure that the White Lightning fence system is properly installed and tensioned. Measure and mark a distance of at least 8 inches from the end of the fencer's lasso to allow space for future tension adjustments. Before placing the connector onto the fence, back the preset screws out slightly with the provided 5/64 inch Allen key for a secure fit. Be sure not to back the screws out completely. Next, place the Snake Eyes electrical connector onto the White Lightning fence. Make sure the connector is fully seated. Using the Allen key, completely tighten both of the self-piercing side screws until they are fully embedded into the fence. The Snake Eyes electrical connector has 2 Stinger wire channels for multiple electrical links, such as strand-to-strand connections, strand-to-rail connections, and strand-to-strand connections for gate openings. Prepare the undergate cable by carefully removing 1 inch of polymer coating to expose the bare wire. Using the Allen key, back the preset screw out slightly and insert the bare wire into the Stinger channel. Securely tighten the top screw using the Allen key. When linking additional Snake Eyes electrical connectors, repeat these steps with the second undergate cable. Once the undergate cable is attached, safely secure it to the nearest post. Drive barbed staples into your fencing posts until they are snug against the undergate cable. It is important that you do not pierce or damage the undergate cable when driving in the staples. Questions? Contact Centaur Fencing Systems customer service at 1-800-348-7787. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the Snake Eyes electrical connector onto your White Lightning fence system.